Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new and unique content based on a set of inputs or parameters. From music and art to text and even entire landscapes, generative AI can produce an infinite number of outputs, limited only by the creativity of the algorithm and the data it has been trained on. One of the most fascinating applications of generative AI is in the field of music. Using deep learning algorithms, generative AI can create original melodies, harmonies, and rhythms that sound like they were composed by a human musician. Generative AI can also be used to create stunning visual art, from abstract compositions to photorealistic landscapes. By training the algorithm on a vast library of images, generative AI can learn to create new and unique works of art that are inspired by the original source material but have a style all their own. Text is another area where generative AI is making its mark. Using natural language processing algorithms, generative AI can create entire stories, poems, and even news articles. With the ability to write in multiple languages and imitate the style of different authors, generative AI is starting to blur the line between human and machine-generated content. Generative AI is also being used in urban planning to create virtual cities and landscapes. By inputting data on things like traffic patterns, population density, and topography, generative AI can create entire cityscapes that are both realistic and unique. This technology could be used to help city planners design more sustainable and efficient urban environments. While generative AI is still in its infancy, its potential is enormous. From creating new works of art to improving the way we plan our cities, generative AI is poised to transform the way we think about creativity and innovation. As the technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine what amazing things it will be capable of in the future. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to develop generative AI, we must also consider the ethical implications of creating machines that can create content that is indistinguishable from human-made creations. We must ensure that we are using this technology for good and not to deceive or manipulate people. In conclusion, generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about creativity and innovation. From art and music to urban planning and beyond, this technology is already making a significant impact. As we continue to explore its capabilities, let us also remember our responsibility to use it ethically and to ensure that it benefits society as a whole. The future of generative AI is limited only by our imagination. Let us use this incredible technology to build a better world for all.